don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. I'm a fans with you TV. Welcome back. It still comes out the sport, and yes, right now we're going to talk about, you know what, the focal point rather being at Kaizer Chiefs, and I still have my main man London here. London, Grandin Fit to end. Yeah, we've seen in the past 2-3 weeks, departures. The players still already violated Orlando Kaizer Chiefs rather. We've seen Ranga is gone, Blom is gone, Khatebe is gone. You know, Adove is gone, and now also Mdantsane has also been announced or overly. So, out of all those 5 departures, which one do you feel, or okay, maybe this one was maybe Askavaya maybe needed another season?
Yeah.
Go Timmy.
Yeah, no, thanks, man. Yeah, out of those 5 players, Tolor already mentioned, the one that shocked me and I'm still feel uncomfortable. Look, I get Dove. Yeah, Dove, I think, was supposed to at least sign 1 year contract with an option.
Yeah.
So then because yes, the previous game there and there the injury they didn't give more like it's supposed to, but this season under Coach Nabi have done a lot. And then already the game it was more serious for us. And his confidence again on the ball, like energy on the ball, like the guy who can his creativity and it become
even the call up national team in Mozambique.
Yeah, they also call him a national team because of his improvement under Coach Nabi. For myself, I'll say I'm still looking at forward or boom replace Akaman because Renale signing who's from Orlando Pirates.
Well, supposedly.
It's still posing. So
supposedly. So we can't confirm anything.
Yeah, but also myself, in my opinion, if it is true, I don't think it's a good replacement for Dove.
Who are you talking about?
Renale Mako le Munyane. Thabiso Munyane. But that one is not officially. It's not officially, but I'm just assuming it if it's true.
Yeah.
We'll never know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for myself, I think what I would say is that we are still waiting to hear. Our team is going for preseason, but for sure, definitely they're gonna announce soon as possible, very soon before they left. So I so wish myself if we can get striker like Rishotadi striker. I still have got doubt Oka Morris. Morris is from SuperSport, but after game Adala, he didn't give me that energy to see that if he will do better with Kaizer Chiefs. You see, I guess if our management, for sure they're busy getting something that's gonna surprise a lot of us. So I believe that we're going to be a strong team in this coming season. Yeah.
Now, the club or players rather, if I may put it, but reportedly for preseason already Friday. You know what, in terms of hit the ground running.
Yeah.
What are you expecting from players now having returned? You know what, they took for preseason and also just next week Matsama by Netherlands. So we're expecting from the players, even the players that are going to be announced in terms of signings for the new season.
Yeah, for myself, I will say, in my opinion, I'll give example like player like Sereno, player like Lilepo, Mduduzi Shabalala, Mfundo Vilakazi. Even other that I didn't manage to mention them. We are expecting a lot from them. They've been there for a while. And they've been there with Coach Nabi. Remember, we still have coach, we never change a coach. Babilele season coming to this season, we expect them to deliver. We expect them to be on top of the league. We're expecting them to, like, for sure, even myself, entire team, rectify the mistake it's about. I will say to them as they are in a Babweti training and they are going for preseason. As supporters, we saw it's impossible, but we try to give them the confidence. It's about time now. Chiefs in Netbank. We are not going to play MTN 8. We are out of MTN 8. For us to close that gap here, MTN 8, we need to take league. We need to take a Kalim Black Label. There are so many cups that we are going to compete for them. So those players, that thing, we've already lost 1 cup. We are not going to play it. And our team were not doing well previous years. For now, as a Kaizer Chiefs, we like Capo Ele it changes a picture in our profile. So we want more. So it's about time we deliver. Our management, we are not sure currently who is coming to us, signing and stuff, minor amule, but we can't assume anything that is not yet published from the club. But I will say, myself, in my opinion, Chiefs at the middle, Cele needs support. Mart needs support. He have changed under Coach Nabi, yes. But I will say we need to balance from the back. Dotli is there, Cross is there, we've got Mugel is there, Solomon and Fosla, they are there. But we still need extra 2 people to balance. Remember, injury did cost the previous season. But we need the defensive solid. We need the quality. I'm not saying we don't have quality, but we need 2 extra more defensive people, quality at the back. We need to balance our team as well at the middle. We need a striker. The attacking arena, yes, Renali Lepo, Sereno Umnati Lane. Renali, who's this guy?
Which one?
The one who I can't forget.
Which one?
Kinyako mention about Fawan Chicana go one. Because Kadi wing it arena, Huyaka na strong, 1
Yeah.
The decision alone pace.
Yeah.
Only speed, energy on the ball. So I think we can still use him. Lilepo, same confidence. We got Matoho. Mato, Renali play like a pace ya speed. Chiefs itamele idaleka the winter yon. Ebe batapalo rabana level. Look at Gata. Gata na dala bolo totona lea kudisom down. He used to run. A overlap a run. Bo Jimmy Tau, pace, Mavilo, So we need those people. What are they? We need such a player. They've got energy on the ball. They move very quick. So looking at the goalkeeper, I forgot to mention goalkeeper. For myself, I don't know if they've showed this at the head office of Kaizer Chiefs. We need goalkeeper at Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs are a culture we don't buy goalkeepers. We develop our own goalkeepers. But for now, I will say because of a good goalkeeper coach, yes, he's there. But where's that goalkeeper coach we used to have? Apia bo 2 million kune, apia bo Brent Baloyu, bo Fernandez. So we used to have those goalkeepers. We can even sell them to top teams. But why can't we develop the strong goalkeeper like we used to have? We really need a goalkeeper. Yes, Peterson is there, Voma is there. How many seasons those 2 goalkeepers they've been there? How many errors did they combine? How many results did they give? Then you can see where's the leg. We really need a goalkeeper. We can bring striker, we can bring midfield, we can buy the players. But if we fail to bring the goalkeeper, I don't see us dominating the result. I don't see us giving us the good result. Yeah.
Now, what are you expecting from the club going into this? Kaziba, you've been stressing Tabaya League, but also remember now there's also CAF Confederations Cup, of which now I've been seeing you of late, Limachi, Talishewella, Mamelodi Sundowns in terms of FIFA Club World Cup. I definitely know for sure that you want to see Kaizer Chiefs there. But what are your expectations? Not only just the league as well, but domestic cups, but that important one as well, the continental football.
It's like you are reading my heart, even though you asked that question, I'm smiling. You have bring another picture of Club World Cup and CAF, and you are going for CAF Confederation. For myself, looking at the Mamelodi Sundowns playing CAF, I saw the Pyramid final. I saw them playing now at the Club World Cup. Sitting at the couch like this, looking at Mamelodi Sundowns playing there, so deep down inside my heart, I'm like, I so wish Kaizer Chiefs can play there. So, like, going to Wabana Confederation Cup, I think that it's a success for Kaizer Chiefs. That's a key that we must use to uplift our club. Why I'm saying this? Just imagine if Kaizer Chiefs can go and win a Club World Cup. That it's changed the whole picture of the team. Winning the Confederation Cup, if Kaizer Chiefs can win the Confederation Cup, it's going to take our ranking positioning enngwe.
Yeah.
And we
Which
are
is
all,
very important.
which is very important. I think you have mentioned something like from the club going to Confederation Cup. You know, we are going for preseason. In that preseason, if we can put that mental worry, we are going to compete for Confederation Cup. That will give us a good imagination to do the right signing. Remember, the signing that we are going to sign is the same very sign that is going to bring a change profile that Confederation Cup. That Confederation Cup is going to make us like get more experience to come back and dominate and try to challenge Mamelodi Sundowns. If we can do well there, we are still going to be promoted to play for Super Cup. And going for Super Cup as well, like you're going that, we have qualified for straight qualify for CAF champion. Kadi player tolerance, experience. We need to get experience, quality players in terms of the benefit. But if we'll promote, yes, promotion is the best. Even Orlando Pirates, but promote Lebo Mfukeng, Mbokazi, they are using DDC team. Look at what they gave to semi-final of CAF. But the question is, Babu Mato Hong Amang. Look at the Vilakazi, go under 20 Bafana AFCON. That guy was out of class performance. Look at Mission Zwane. Zwane never played like more games in this previous season. But Mushebe had another Dalago All-Stars, what he gave. Looking at there are so many players that I can mention from Kaizer Chiefs, but like, if you can take them out of that team and play them somewhere, so it shows you that we have those players, but we need quality to make those players run. Remember, if you don't have a good engine, Koloya how? Yeah. We have those players that they can perform, but so I would say from my team, good decision making is the best. Yes, somewhere financially, I'm not saying we got problem financially, but I'll rather say, let me spend, I'll benefit after. Let me go out and lose whatever I have for now in terms of sacrifice. The more I sacrifice, if you'll never win if you don't take a risk. But in life, you need to take a risk so then you can win. Let them go out for anything. Let them lose whatever they have in terms of getting the quality that they're going to bring. Just imagine if Kaizer Chiefs can win Confederation Cup, the happiness around this country. Just imagine if it was Kaizer Chiefs playing the In-Club World Cup, what was going to happen? So for myself, it's so painful. I get aside alone.
Yeah.
The result is Kaizer Chiefs. But when I go to the public, I act like I'm happy while I'm not happy. But I will say, I've got full confidence that this coming season, we saw Coach Nabi in Tanzania, we saw him in Morocco watching games. There's a reason why he went there. There's a reason why he was watching those games. Not in terms only for you. Coach doesn't go to watch a game in terms of signing only. He can also go and watch that game in terms of picking some philosophy, style of play, and he apply it. When you look at that game in Morocco, it's like, if I can play Nduduzi Shabalala there, maybe it can bring change. Why can't I steal that style of play? I will say to Coach Nabi, please play Mfundo Vilakazi. Give him more time. Support him. Like Jose Rivero, he did support Relewile Mufuke. It's about time now we support Vilakazi. Vilakazi, he need to be unida support. And unida more guidance. There's this Duku Makanya to bring the Nkota. Believe me, Nkota one day he'll become like Lodge. Why? Bamushauta until I read the right thing. They advise him very well. Don't stress our players. Guide them properly. They're still young. Even the management, I'm not saying they put more pressure on the young players whereby they get too much stress. You know, if you are still young, even here in mind, heavier how you don't load things properly. Pressure alone, maybe management they give our young boy. pressure e lor player we for our players, pressure e tswang ko di-fan re for our young players is damage them. When they go to the pitch, they feel that pressure, they start to panic, they don't give us the result. But for us now, I would say because of we won the Nedbank, right, let them go with the right pace. But this coming season, we expect Chiefs to do miracle and give us the good result at the end of the day.
On that note, that's how we wrap up our conversation with London over here. And this is where I also remember Papawa said, don't look at Kaizer Chiefs, go kai kai, bashebe go finally. That's the case.
Yeah.
So in this case, London says the same thing. We can only hope at this point in time, Ori, his prediction will be right, whereby you don't look at Kaizer Chiefs anywhere, but Ubashebe go finally. So we shall wait and see how things will pan out. But yeah, let's keep the conversation going. And remember, I'm a fans way to subscribe button. Aribu Mbafetu, London Kamza, signing out.